This wonder machine was for the first time shown at the New York Motor Show in 2015. This was also the year when Porsche said kiss goodbye to naturally aspirated engines in all Carreras. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to Porsche Boxster Spyder and the beautiful and sunny California. Now this video today is possible because of an app called Roadster. It's an app for people who love cars, who love road trips. It connects us all together. I'll put all the links to the application down in the description below. Make sure you come and follow me. Let's hop in and see what this beautiful machine is all about. Back then, in 2015, nobody knew just what a pearl this car will become. The production was limited to less than 1,000 units in America. And why? Well, Porsche said so, but probably because of production capacity limits. Of course, the desire was far greater. Well, let's see what this car is all about. It's got a soft roof, foldable by hand, and whilst the previous model was a bit of a rocket science, here, and you needed actually a manual with the previous one, even for blonde individuals such as myself. Like that. And voila. Under the bonnet I've got something very special. 3.8 liters, 6-cylinder petrol engine, Boxster type, naturally aspirated, that produces glorious 375 horsepower. We also have 420 newton meters of torque. We are feeling rather slim today, only 1,315 kilograms. This fire goes from 0 to 100 in only 4.5 seconds. And as you would expect from Porsche, the maximum speed is 290 kilometers an hour. I reckon it's plenty. Now the whole idea of Boxster Spyder is based on being sharp and being light. This car takes us back to the 50s, particularly 550 Spyder, which was a 550 kilograms pocket rocket that James Dean has named Little Bastard. Unfortunately, he has lost his life in this little bastard a few weeks after purchasing it right here in California. Well, that's certainly setting the tone for the video, but rest assured I'm driving, we'll be just fine. This car today is special for a couple of reasons, of course being the last naturally aspirated Carrera, but another special thing about it is I've got a 6-speed manual gearbox. Today we don't exactly have people queuing up for a manual Porsche. The automatic PDK is the king, and although it's brilliant, it's smooth and seamless, the people who are so much in love with comfort, they have no idea what they're missing. You can fall in love with this car immediately from the first to the second gear jump. You can also classify manual gearboxes. There's Porsche and there's everything else. Short, stiff, precise as a Swiss watch. And you know the real cherry on the cake in Sport Plus, when you downshift, is this. Oh yes, it puts a huge smile on your face. And it's just so addictive.
But there's something you're trying to hide.
The steering in this car, well, where do I even begin? It is laser sharp. This car does exactly what you tell it to do. The handling is out of this world. This is a rear-wheel drive, but you have a clear information what's happening with your front tires. Well, of course, having a brand new set of Michelin tires helps.
I just can't give up, can't give up, can't give up.
Now this naturally aspirated Boxster offers you a precise dose of power. It revs up to 7,500 RPMs, but really the greatest joy, almost an ecstasy, is the sound this car creates. It's so real, so clean, so hearty, and just so intoxicating, really.
Your eyes have been so hard to forget.
Now I'm just overwhelmed with joy. I've driven cars that are faster, I've got more horsepower, but this car has got so much character, it's got such a big soul. I think this is one of the most underappreciated cars out there. This is one of the best Porsches, not only in the last couple of years, but I think in the entire Porsche history. The damn sexy looks, that fire, this refined, sharp handling. What else do you want from a car? Not to mention what's this is just intoxicating. The sound is always there. And I think enough rambling. This brings me to the end of this video. This is a perfect car for California, I reckon. Thank you again for watching, and I shall all see you very, very soon. Bye! City limits. Okay.